How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Today, I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp, whether you're using Android or iPhone. If you've accidentally deleted a chat or just want to see old messages, this guide has got you covered, so let's get started. First, check if you have a backup. Here's how. Just open WhatsApp and go to settings, simply tap on chats and simply find chat backup. Look for the latest backup date. If the backup was made before the messages were deleted, we can restore them. Now let's restore the deleted messages. What you need to do is simply uninstall the WhatsApp from your phone and reinstall it again. When you open the app, just verify your phone number and when prompted, tap restore from backup. For Android users, you can also see deleted messages using notification history. Just go to settings and tap on apps and notification. Tap notification history and enable it. Now deleted messages will be visible in the history. This only works if notifications were enabled before the messages was deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages using backup or recovery apps as well.